Welcome to English Language Club. This is Jagannath Raju, your English faculty. In this video, we are going to practice exercise based on often confusing words. Actually, English language has a million of words. Every day, new words existed into the English language. So, some words similar in pronunciation, some words similar in spelling, some words similar in meaning also. So that's why we confused in many words. So in this video we practice some kinds of words similar in pronunciation or spelling. So come to this one, the first one. So they dash our proposal. They dash our proposal. So dash our proposal. Accept means agree. Accept means exclude. Accept means exclude. So what is the right answer here? They dash our proposal. They accept our proposal. They accepted our proposal. That is the right answer. Hurricane winds. Hurricane winds means a cyclone. Heavy winds. Actually it happens in the especially North America. Especially in the North America. Affect is a noun. Affect is a noun. Is verb. The spelling is slight difference. Affect means E-F-F-E-C-T. Affect means A-F-F-E-C-T. This one is noun, this one is verb. Actually, hurricane winds is a subject. After the subject, we have to write a verb. So the right answer is affected. Hurricane winds affected the amount of rainfall. And next one. My glasses are dash the bed. By is preposition. By is preposition. By is verb. So actually my glasses are dash the bed. By means near or the by the side of the bed. So before we go to the bed, before the sleep, we remove our glasses, we remove our specs and put aside the bed or put on the teapot or whatever may be. So don't write by. So the right answer is by is correct. By is correct. And next one, fourth one. Write fourth one. So what is the fourth one? Dash the most beautiful butterfly I have ever seen. It is a contraction form. Contraction means it plus is the short form. Short form is its. It's both are pronouns actually. Both are pronouns. This one is possessive pronoun. This one is possessive pronoun. This one is contrast form. It is a short form. So actually what is the right answer? It is the most beautiful I have ever seen. So the right answer is it's. I have to dash the problem. No is a verb. No is a negative word. No is a verb. No is a negative word. Actually the negative word comes after the verb, comes after the helping verb, but it is not given here. And after the two we have to write verb. So the right answer is no is the right answer. I have to know the problem. And next one, she will dash ever more weight after finishing the marathon training. So loss means fail. Loss means give up something. Give up something. So she will lose is the right answer. She will lose even more weight after finishing the marathon training. Next. And seventh one. Right. My work will require dash a lot of concentration. Quite means truly. Quite means less sound. Quite means less sound. So my work will require dash a lot of concentration. Which was the right answer? Quite is right answer. Q-U-I-T-E right answer. Okay. I will dash down their scores. Right means proper. Right means proper. Right means correspondence on the paper. Communication on paper. Communication on paper is right. So which one is right answer? Right or right? Right is correct. Okay, next. Ninth one. Registered nurses requires less schooling dash doctors than is usually in comparative. Than is usually comparative. Then means next or specific time. Then means THN, then means next or specific time. Then means compare. Actually, here comparison between nurses and doctors. So the right answer is require is then. Next, let's go to the circus. Whenever verb comes, go and blank and give place. Verb, between the verb and place, we have to write the preposition to. It is a grammatical rule in English. So to is a preposition, to is adverb, to is number. That means it is usually as an adjective or noun. The tense were dash loud and we left. So loud is a adverb. Loud is a adverb. Before the adverb we have to write, we must write adverb only. We must write adverb only. So the answer is to. Don't write to or don't. Before the adverb we can't write to and to. So we can write only to. Dash the new student. Dash the new student. Dash schedule allows them to takes the new student on a campus. So who means who is? Who means who is? Whose means what is the full form is who is, who has, who was. So whenever the introduction sentence, we write whose. And next one, whose is a possessive, whose bag is this, whose pen is this, whose shirt is this. Whenever we question on the possessiveness or ownership, we write whose, W-H-O-S, whose. This is the right one. This is the right one. And next, fourteenth one. He sat dash me. Beside means next or by the side. Besides means in addition. Besides means in addition to. I sat dash me by the side, next to me. So the right answer is beside is right answer. I love ice cream dash chocolate. Actually, he loves not only ice cream but also chocolate. So whenever we ask addition, at that time we write besides. Besides. Okay, and next one. I use to hold dash to clean the car. Cloths means garments. Cloths means garments. Cloths means pieces of fabrics. Pieces of fabrics. So I use to hold garments are pieces to clean the car. So that's right answer is cloths. I love new dash. So I love new garments. So that's why the right answer is cloths. Okay. And next one, we sat on the pine long even though it was dash. Coarse means rough. There is no smoothness. Course means direction. So we sat on the pine log even though it was a course. C-O-A-O-R-S-E, right answer. That shirt compliments your eyes. Compliments means make better. To compliments means admire. So the right answer is compliments. My dash told me not to steal that candy bar. Conscious means sorry. Conscience means inner feeling. Conscience means awake or awareness. So my dash told me, my conscience, conscience, my inner feeling told me not to steal that candy bar. Okay, in the BSc nursing first year students, it carries 3 marks, 3